right turn. Excellent. Left turn into the fake road test center. And a right turn. And a left turn. And this time we're going to finish it off by doing the forward parking just on the other side of the gray car. Right on, man. Good job. So you're done.
Okay.
Oh, so now if it wasn't for pulling out onto LaSalle with that car coming, you would have passed, definitely. Everything else was good. Careful. Okay, see, that's very dangerous. That would have been an automatic fail with a few minor mistakes. But just make sure, and you know, sometimes they actually, before you pull out onto LaSalle, they'll say, if there's a lot of traffic, they'll just tell you to wait until both lanes are clear. If they don't say anything, wait till the traffic's clear. So, so other than that, your parallel parking was good. You got the pattern down, but you're still kind of turning the wheel the wrong way a little bit, and it makes a big difference. So when you finished, you were a little bit crooked, right? So they might ding you maybe 2 points for incorrect vehicle positioning, but it's not a fail.
Okay.
I've seen people really mess that up, and they still pass. So yeah, same with any of the parking maneuvers. If you know, so long as you don't hit anything or cause their foot to go to the brake or yell, scream, you know, stop. Yeah. And then at the traffic lights where the graveyard is there, those ones, to make the right turn, it's really challenging. It's a really sharp right turn. You got to make sure that when you're turning there, that your front left corner doesn't go into the left lane at all. Like, you want to make sure just tighten your turns, the right turns, your right turns. And then your 3-point turn was good. You've got that down.